Hi, grade 1, Egyptian syllabus, Egyptian new syllabus. Today it will be a review from assignment evaluation book. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review here on from your assignment book. I think you have this book. You have got this book in school. Here we say look, read, and circle. What if this? I'm listening to saying this man title, so I select this one. What if this boy is doing shake hands? Here is tree. Here is tomato. Here is table and tomato. So here we know capital T and small t. Here is table and here is tomato. Okay, let's go to another question here or another item here in this unit. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say, what is this? What is this picture refers to? Teacher. What is he saying? Saying here is play. What is this? Tomato. Here is a letter. Here is I write here letter T. Here is T tree and here is tiger. Let's go to another item here. Here we have here is called France. Here is shake hands. Here is table. Here is teacher. Here is teacher. Here is hello. So I would like to write capital T, capital H and small h. Here is called capital H and small h, capital T and small t, capital T and small t, capital H and small h. Okay, there's capital T and small t, capital H and small h. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is what is this? It's book. So I select this one. What is this? It's peg. What's this? It's pencil. What's this? It's board. Let's go to another one here. What is this? Where is the chair? Here is a chair. I select this one by this one. Desk, this one by this one. Bag, this one by this one. Books, this one by this one. Let's go to another item here. Here it will be here book. Here is bag. Bag. Here is pencil. Here is board. I write it because it's there isn't a space to write it here. Here is board. Chair, written like this, chair. This is desk, written like this. Here is desk. So here we have desk, have a chair, have pencil. Here is pencil. This is called pencil. I make an arrow to know this is pencil. And this is board. This is board. This is what? This is bag. And this is book. I would like to write it in separated. This is book written like this. This called book. I will write it as it is. This book and this what? And this bag. This bag and this book. Okay, this bag and this book. Okay, written like this. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is the practicing on phonics. Let's read it together. Here is what we say here. I write here ink. I. So the missing letter, it will be R. Here is ill. Here is insect. And here is in. Okay. So we know capital I and small I, as we know here. Capital I and small I, capital T and small t, capital H and small h. All these the alphabets that we know during this lesson. Capital I and small I, capital T and small t, capital H and small h. Let's continue the rest of the exercise related to this unit. Here we say, here is ink. I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here is ink. Here is ill. Here is ill. You say here ink. We say here ill. Here it will be what? It will be here insect. Insect. and here is in. Okay, and here is in. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's do this exercise together. You think it's unit 2? Yes. No, it's not unit 2, it's not unit 1. Still unit 1. So here I answer, here is this part. Here is, what is this? It's dark. So I select this one. What is this? It's book. What is this? Bag. What is this? Here is it will be the ink started with letter R. Pencil started with letter R. Let's do this exercise together. What is this? It's what? Chair. It's pencil. I prepare pupils. Here is sit down, not stand up. Here is sit down, not stand up. Here is we have this one is what is ill. So I select this one. Here is in. So I select IN. Let's go to do this. The last one here. Here is chair. Here is stand up. Here is stand up. Open your. Here is open your books or play. No, it's not open your books. It's play. Open your book. Yes. Here is open your books. Open your books. Because I don't see this book. So here is the answer. Here it will be open your books. Here is ill and here is answer. Okay. By this review on unit 1, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot and meet again. Goodbye.